A few of you have had questions about the demand and competition analysis for keywords. So I'm going to show you how you can find some keyword metrics inside of Google Ads to be able to evaluate what kind of monthly impressions you think you would be able to get, as well as the level of competition you would expect to see for that given keyword. So when I log into Google Ads, I am brought here. And if your interface looks differently than this, there's two scenarios that could be going on. Perhaps you're on the old version. Even I doubt that's going to be for very many of you unless you've set your account up a long time ago and for some reason you weren't migrated over. There was an old version of Google Ads, and you'll know you are on the old version if up in the top here, instead of having this little wrench looking thing, it will look like a gear. The gear is the settings. This is kind of settings in here, and it's displayed by a wrench. So if you're seeing a gear, you're on the old version. You'll need to click on the gear, and then there is a menu item that says switch to the new version, and you'll want to click that. The other scenario is if you are on a really basic, easy user Google Ads account. Sometimes when people set up a Google Ad account, it pushes them into the really basic interface. You will need to switch to this, and I believe you do that under that same gear or wrench icon. Okay? Once you're in here, though, you will want to go to the keyword planner. So I click this little go to, gets me there quicker. I just type in keyword planner. And you'll be brought here. And for the purpose of this project, I'm going to show you this spreadsheet here that we're looking at. So in this spreadsheet, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see that we're thinking of starting either a business that sells guitar or ukuleles or guitars. Okay, and we want to input the competition and monthly impressions data. Let's pretend that we don't have these yet, and we only have the keywords that we want to use. So, how you would go about collecting that info? I'm going to go ahead and copy out this list of ukulele keywords and go back to my keyword planner. And I want to search for volume and forecasts. You click that and it will give you a place to paste in your keywords. If you need some keywords, you use this tool here. And you'll type in one or two keywords, and then it will suggest similar keywords that you could use for your advertising or business purposes. For this project, though, we're looking for competition and potential search volume on these keywords. So I've pasted them in, and I click Get Started. And it's going to show me, after it loads, right here, monthly, how many clicks these different keywords are garnering, and the impressions, cost. So it's saying if we were to spend $5.6 thousand, we could expect to get 110,000 people seeing our ads and 4,400 people clicking through those ads in that given month. You can click here. It's suggesting the daily budget. You can use this to get a good idea of where you're going. Or, if you want to, you can look at historical metrics. And I recommend you go over here, because then it's giving you in a very simple summary the average number of searches per month that is getting, as well as the competition level. Okay? So I'm going to take this data here and try to paste it into a spreadsheet. You can download it here and export it as a CSV, which is nice. You'll want to do the historical metrics. I'm just going to see if I can copy and paste this, though, into the spreadsheet. Of course, I don't want to do it up here because it will kill my formatting. Yeah, and it does not paste well. There's other ways that you could do it, but for this purpose, instead what I'm going to do is do an export of the CSV, and then from there open up the CSV and just reformat it like this, and you will be done with the project. I hope that helps. Thanks.